4 Stips to grow your eyebrows that make a difference. When it comes to makeup trends, full, luscious eyebrows are taking center stage. In my personal and very humble opinion, I believe eyebrows are a very important feature of your face. Let's be honest, they basically set the blueprint for your facial frame. Now, I know what you all are thinking: I might have plucked one too many hairs, my wax specialist made them too thin. Remember that time when thin eyebrows were a thing? I just can't grow my eyebrows in anymore. I hear you all, and I'm here to tell you there is still some hope in getting your eyebrows fuller. It takes a whole lot of patience and will, but a set of good tips will help you get from no brows to eyebrows on fleek. 1. Toss your tweezers. Take those tweezers and hide them in a place so hard to find that you might as well not even look. Remember, growing in your eyebrows takes patience, and with that comes patience of not touching a single strand of hair, even those tiny hairs that seem like they don't belong. Believe it or not, but every hair makes a difference. So, toss those tweezers. 2. Use a regrowth stimulant. Sometimes we need to give the hairs a little push. It is essential to use a regrowth serum, stimulant, especially one with peptides. If you are going for a low-budget option, castor oil is your best bet. It can be found at your local Whole Foods or pharmacy. Castor oil contains a high amount of ricinoleic acid. In fact, this fatty acid accounts for about 90% of the volume. This is a unique fatty acid which has many benefits for your hair, lashes, and eyebrows. And for those that want a lush product, my personal favorite is Revita Brow Advanced. Its proprietary blend of biotin, green tea extract, rich in panthenol, peptides, and lipids helps condition and strengthen brows while defending from breakage and brittleness. 3. Massage. Massaging your eyebrows helps stimulate positive hair growth by increasing blood circulation to that area. Massage the area around your eyebrows with castor oil or your serum for 5 minutes daily. I recommend at night. 4. Learn the art of brow makeup with your tweezers. Not handy. You might be going a little crazy looking at all those stray hairs. I know the feeling. However, learning how to fill in our eyebrows properly or even getting them tinted can make the process a lot more tolerable. Here is a little guide to help you with filling in your eyebrows.